back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as you guys know, in the last video, if you have seen my lazy kind of a vlog or video, in that I have already told you guys that next time I'm going to come back with my skincare which has been updated and why we should update it and all of that. So in this video we are going to do just that, and let's just get started. So since you guys know that this video is going to be all about skincare, but it is also going to be like a mini hot pink sale Nykaa haul. These are the basically products that I have recently purchased. I have like updated my skincare routine. First and foremost, I just want to tell you guys that why we must like update our skincare and skincare routine every 3 months. Now skincare basically takes certain time to settle on your skin, so which is exactly 3 months. So once the skincare has settled on your skin like in 3 months, it works only for 3 months, after which slowly it just like settles on your skin and your skin will adapt to it and won't make any changes that the skincare has to like provide it to you. So once that skincare has already given you the benefits that for those 3 months, and that it has already settled on your skin, it's time to like change your skincare. So this time I have also changed my skincare, and I think there are certain reasons and certain ingredients which I have changed, but my skin texture remains the same, which is why I have chosen the product which will suit my skin. So since I have dry combination skin kind of skin type, which is why I have selected all the products related to like dry skin or a combination or normal skin. So this is going to be a very mini haul, and also along with it I am just going to tell you guys that what all benefits and what all ingredients like attracted me to buy those products, and which is why I have bought that, and price will be mentioned on the screen itself, and like what price I got it for during the sale. So starting with the first product, so first and foremost, my hair had become very dry and frizzy since a few months, and I wanted to do something for it since I had not been using a lot of serum also, and also I don't use conditioner as that much. Whenever I want to like use conditioner, I use a natural conditioner which is like yogurt or curd, so that is what I use, but since due to like cold and cough and all of that, I wasn't using even that, which is why my hair had like become very dry and frizzy. So I just ordered one serum which is from Livon. Now this has like 2 to 3 ranges of this particular serum, so you can accordingly buy according to your hair type. Now since my hair is dry and frizzy, I have like bought the anti-frizz one. This is for rough and dry hair, so this is exactly what I got this one for, so which is why I bought Livon, and this was exactly very like affordable, and like it works but not that much. However, when I read the reviews while buying it, the reviews were very good, which is why I bought it. And since I didn't wanted to invest more in serums, which is why I bought this one. But if you have any other good serums for dry and frizzy hair which will actually like work on my extremely dry and frizzy hair, then do comment down below and let me know so I can buy that one. Moving on to the next one. Okay, next one is upgrading my skincare, which is the main skincare, which is actually a moisturizer and sunscreen. So I bought this from Minimalist brand, and this is from Nykaa itself. So I bought these two. This is from Minimalist. And this is the new range. This has marula oil and this is SPF. So I have used Minimalist in the past. Now before this, there was an old skincare routine that I had, and in that I used to use the skincare products which were from Korea. So those actually like made my skin really good, but since I said that we are supposed to change every 3 months, our skincare routine has to change and our skincare products have to change every 3 months, which is why I moved from Korean products to Indian products. And since I trust Minimalist and I have used Minimalist before, and there had not been any bad reviews about it and bad experience from it, which is why I have moved again back to range of Minimalist. So this is a moisturizer from Minimalist, and this has hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin F, it has vitamin E. So it promises nourishment and hydration. Since I said that my skin type is dry and combination and normal, like 3 of them. So which is why this is for dry and normal skin. So you can buy the ones according to your skin type. So whenever you are like choosing your skincare or according to your skin type, you just have to research a few ingredients which are supposed to help your skin to either heal it or to make it feel better or make it look better. So as I said that there are certain ingredients, I'll mention it over here, which is like glycolic acid, which is niacinamide, there is peptides, there is ceramides, there is hyaluronic acid, there is niacinamide. So these are certain recent ingredients which most of the skincare have. Now there are different, these ingredients work differently on different skin, and what skin type will actually suit this particular ingredient. So which is why you are supposed to like look into it and then accordingly buy it. Yeah, so this works for both AM and PM, which is why I bought this one. Since I don't use the skincare which is like different for AM and PM, but this time I have also bought like 1 to 2 products which is actually going to help me for PM as well. Moving on to the sunscreen. Now sunscreen I have used the same one I think before also. But as I said that niacinamide works the best with for the dry and combination skin tone. So this sunscreen with SPF 50 has niacinamide, it has vitamin B5 and even vitamin F. So vitamin F I have in both of moisturizer as well as in sunscreen. This one is for all skin types. 2 products are also from Minimalist. As I said that I have moved to Minimalist totally, and which is why, and I absolutely love the products they have because I have used it earlier and they have shown like good results to my skin, which is why I have moved back to Minimalist. Now in India, I think the made in India product, this is the only one and affordable one which I think gives you the good results, which is why I've come back to Minimalist. Now again when I switch, I think I'll go back to like Korean products because those work the best. But since I had to switch, I wanted to switch again to India because I don't want to lose out on Indian products also, which is why I moved back to Indian products from Minimalist. Now coming on to the Minimalist eye cream. So I've never used an eye cream before and I wanted to give it a try because recently I saw that there were a little bit of dark circles and around my eyes because I don't know, I have like pretty good sleep schedule. I sleep at 9:30, I wake up at, this is vitamin K plus retinol. So previously I even read somewhere that whenever you are using any eye product which is like eye cream or under eye cream or something like that, you should always see to it that whether you are having it as retinol or retinal. So there are 2 differences under that, so you can research that out and based on which you can like buy that product. So basically it helps in reducing dark circles, puffiness and fine lines. So it's actually very helpful if you like have little lines also over here, or if you want to like reduce your puffiness and also your dark circles. So this is exactly the product that we all need. So moving forward to the next one and the last one, which is a glycolic acid. Now this is again from Minimalist and I think so far so good. It really like as I said earlier that when I changed it to like another product, it did show a little bit of like effects on my skin, but then now it, as it has settled in, it is slightly showing a bit positive outcomes. I know that within a week you can't make a difference, but I can make a difference. Now glycolic acid actually helps you like brighten up your skin, which is why I am saying this because I was a shade lighter, a shade darker than what I have right now. Right now I have no makeup on, just have my lip balm and some blush, that's it, and my skincare done. So I think that according to this, I think 1 week has shown quite a lot difference. I don't know if it's in my mind or it has actually worked. You guys can tell me whether it is or not. But yeah, I think that so far it is so good. This has actually like given a tough time to my skin in the start. As I said that when I use this, it slightly showed like 2-3 pimples on my skin, but now that it has settled in, it is working really well, and it is actually showing that difference on my skin as far as I know and as far as I have noticed. So you can use this, and this is for all skin types, and it has like innumerable benefits and everyone can use it. It is actually for exfoliated. When you apply it, it will kind of like tingle on your skin. It will kind of like tingle all over your skin. So what you have to do is, whenever it seeps into your skin and you feel the tingling, it is very normal, but just don't like apply it bare. You just have to take it in your hands, you have to dab it on your skin, and once it absorbs into your skin, immediately just apply your moisturizer, because that is how you have to balance your skin. You don't have to apply glycolic acid bare skin. Okay, so if you have any blemishes, if you have any dark spots, if you have any pigmentation, if you have cracked heels, all of these actually like disappear in some time if you are regularly using it. I think I will be using more of this, but let's see where it takes me like in a month or so, and then I'll review it on my vlogs or like make a separate video, whatever you guys want. But that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.